You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name correctly of this fish, originally from the Amazon River, South America. We're going to look at how it's said locally in Portuguese and Spanish, and also how it's usually pronounced in English, how you should pronounce it in English. Pirarucu in Spanish, pirarucu, also Portuguese, pirarucu. Now, in English, it's usually pronounced as either pirarucu, you want to stress on the ku syllable, pirarucu, or pirarucu, 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 we stress on the ku syllable, pirarucu, or pirarucu, from Spanish and or Portuguese, pirarucu. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.